Hi everyone! I'm sure that every one of us finds ourselves in situations where we have to throw food away due to different causes. Maybe it's expired, or we made a meal too big to eat ourselves, or we simply forgot about certain food items somewhere in our storage. We are a 4-member team Strassium from Slovenia, and we've developed an innovative solution, an app that effectively helps you reduce food waste. It is very easy to use and aimed at both consumers and companies that prepare, distribute and serve food and want to operate eco-friendly to reduce the amount of food waste. Each targeted group has a separate interface with adjusted functionalities. So to briefly demonstrate how the app works, let's focus on the consumer part of the app. Every individual can log in with their email address and get their unique storage ID, which can be shared, for example, with family members so that they can all access the same data of what they have in their storage. In the section Storage, products can be entered into the app manually or automatically through receipt scanning or other viable methods that are yet to be implemented. To avoid overbuying, we plan to implement a meal planner which could predict quantities of ingredients necessary to buy for a week or month in advance. Every user can also check food offers posted by local restaurants or food providers with our membership. The other section of the app is aimed at restaurants and other food providers. They will, just as regular users, be able to check the offerings of other food providers and create and edit their entries for consumers. For ease of use, we also added a connected website with the same functionalities, since firms more often use computers instead of phones. If a restaurant doesn't manage to sell all of their food servings, they can publish these meals on our app for users to buy cheaper until it's still under health regulations. When food isn't suitable for people anymore, it can be sold to local farmers for animal food. Therefore, the least possible amount of it is thrown away. Such restaurants that follow these guidelines for food conservation will be able to achieve our low food waste or no food waste certificate, which will be granted when the yearly subscription for use of our platform is paid and other requirements such as these are met. All these features rely on backend architecture that consists of integrated Firebase authentication system, real-time databases which allow app data to be synchronized the moment assets change, third-party APIs that provide recipe information, and Python server, which is in charge of image-to-text conversion and is the base of receipt scanning feature. Our app is very accessible and suitable for everyone, including people with disabilities. For instance, dim-sighted or dyslexic people will be able to adjust brightness, contrast, text and image size in settings. We plan to make the app also accessible for visually impaired individuals by planning to integrate a full audio narrator for each function in the app. To further evolve our idea, we've met with the development and food department in Gorenje, a Hisense company, which is a manufacturer for smart home appliances such as refrigerators, and reached an agreement of possible collaboration. If we want to limit the amount of food waste, we have to join together and act immediately, and with our smart food app, this is easier than ever, so don't throw food away, use it in a better way.